Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am planning in my mini vertical happy planner, and I yet again am using the brand new Halloween sticker book from the Happy Planner. I have been using it non-stop, but it is October and Halloween starts next week, so I really like to be a seasonal planner and focus on what major holidays coming up, what, seasons changing, things like that. So anyways, that's why I've been using it so much. But this week out of the book, am really only using this one page with these bugs, lightning bolts, and snakes. And the colors of the snakes are really unique to be in a Halloween book, but it's like light pink and a little bit of like peachy orange and then teal and kind of like that sea foam color. So I'm excited about that. I like that it's a little bit different, and then these little squares that say bugs and hisses, I think is funny, instead of hugs and kisses. So anyways, I started by putting down that washi up at the top, and I ripped it, and I really wish I actually would have used one strip and then just split it, and by putting one on one side and then one on the other, because it ended up that both ends had a little bit more on the right side, if you know what I mean. So that's why I had to like rip a little bit off, but that's okay. So once I put the snakes down, then I took out that RongRong like everyday. It's called everyday, but it's just pretty much colorful boxes. I keep it with all my other colorful boxes sticker books, but they have like these perfect squares for a mini vertical, so that's why I pulled that out. So I just kind of pulled out a few pinks and a few blacks and put those down. And then of course, mini planner basics is a must because, it also has really small stickers. So I found that to do, and then that other little to go, I put that in the sidebar. And let's try this again. I just think it's funny. There's really no purpose to it other than it's small, so it fits nicely, and it's obviously black. Like, it just works. And I also really like putting down glasses whenever I can, because I wear glasses most of the time when I'm like chilling at home. I get optical migraines, and wearing my glasses seems to really cut down on my migraines. At least, just for me, I feel like I can tell a difference most of the time. So also out of mini planner basics, I got this pay the bill sticker, and most of the time I forget to put paying bill stickers in my planners, other than I forget to use them in my weekly view, but in my monthlies, I most of the time always do it. So anyways, I just got a few different stickers out for like just the functional parts of the spread. So I put those in there, and yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I really, really, again, like the color scheme. I think it turned out really well, and cross your fingers. I hope I use it again this week, because last week I did use it and I really love how it turned out. So anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.